Hey friends, if you wish to disable annoying text-to-speech voice on Windows, then please watch this video. So search for narrator in the Windows search bar and open narrator, okay, and make sure that it is off. Just close it. Okay, click on exit narrator. This should disable it, but here's one more thing that you have to do. Just make sure that the settings are not available either. So search for speech recognition in the Windows search bar and click on turn off online speech recognition. Just turn the switch off and now it will never get access. So why was it even enabled at the first place? It was never supposed to be enabled by default, but someone can change the settings, and other than changing the settings, third-party programs can also make that change. So this can be the case. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.